Hello friends, how are you? Please comment section tell me you. So today our topic is a SBI current. The current situations has made life a trekker for all of use. The economy is under a lot of stress and function financial planning for most individual has gone for a toss. Deposit this. Despite this, if you have money that is not generating returns for you, then there is no reason not to invest it. And the best option would be a scam that is safe and gives fixed amounts of money. To do this, you can open a State Bank of India fixed deposit account online with a single click view SBI banking, SBI net banking. The official website of State Bank of India is online sba.in.com. The website explains the entire process of opening a fixed deposit account. The investors don't need to go to the bank branches of the same, and the entire process can simply be completed from home. The website also allows you to close or renew your SBI fixed deposit or FD deposit. Here is a setup. Here is set step by step guides for SBI online net banking customers to open SBI online fixed deposit or online FD. Step 1. Log in SBI online net banking by filling your personal details. Step 2. Click on TDR by E to STDR fixed deposit at fixed deposit option. Step 3. Click on the type of SBI online fixed deposit you want to choose. Step 4. Choose the SBI savings to account for online payment and from which the money will be debited in the future. Step 5. Choose the SBI online fixed deposit for principal value. Put this SBI online fixed deposit principal value in the amount column as well. If your age is above 60, then don't miss to click at the senior citizen button. Senior citizens get 0.5% more interest on their SBI fixed deposits. Choose the maturity period of the SBI online fixed deposit. Choose maturity instructions for your SBI terms SBI term deposit account. Read the terms and conditions carefully and then click at the terms and conditions button for submitting. Your SBI fixed deposit online will appear with all details on your computer monitor. Click at OK button and note the transactions number and print out of the transactions number for future reference. So guys, Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and once more click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.